Hi guys, in this video we will see how to set custom low battery alerts on your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. You can easily set low battery alerts on Windows 11 and 10 manually as per your choice. Here are the process. Go to Windows search and here type CP or control panel and open control panel in your system. Here in control panel items, look for the option power option. Click on power options. Here go to your plan settings. Click on change plan settings. Thereafter click on change advanced power settings. A new window will open. Here go to the battery section, expand battery section, and here all your battery related option will available. Here first change notification low battery level, critical battery notification, put it in on mode and click on low battery level, and here you can easily change low battery level. Click on a small arrow to change its figure. We will put it on battery 25 and plugged in 15. So you can easily change or custom your low battery level from here. And finally, low battery notification should be on. Click on it and on battery on and plugged in on. Various other features also available here. You can easily change here. Critical battery alert, low battery action, and some other features also available here. And finally choose apply and OK to save the changes. Restart your system and you have successfully set custom low battery alert on your Windows 11 and 10 system. That's